On the cutting machine, the servo motor and frequency converter are two key control components. They each have different functions and together ensure the accuracy, efficiency, and stability of the equipment. The servo motor plays a role in precise positioning, smooth acceleration and deceleration, and high dynamic response in the cutting machine. The inverter is mainly used to control the speed of the motor by changing the power supply frequency. Its role is usually reflected in the speed control of the spindle motor, energy-saving effect, and motor protection.